Hi folks, I thought I'd show you my trick for eliminating a slick ramp. After busting my butt a couple of times on my ramp, which is pretty steep, it's got about a 4-foot rise and it comes out about 20 feet long. I built ramps instead of having steps because I haul firewood via cart up and down these things. This was an idea I got because I didn't want to put sand. I didn't want to paint my deck and put sand in the paint. That's a trick you can use, but it doesn't last very long. And I didn't want a painted deck. I wanted something that would keep my wood natural and I could pressure wash and just do normal maintenance. So this is metal lath is what this product is. So it comes in an 8-foot sheet, and it is used for old school bathrooms and stuff where they're going to put plaster. So it's basically just extruded galvanized metal. This metal has been on my deck for a number of years. I think this is probably 7 or 8 years. It doesn't rust. Now you'll notice the screws, I use stainless steel round top screws on it, and the material is actually very durable. The galvanized coating has held up great. I've not had any rust or any problem. The remarkable thing about this will give you traction on in any condition other than ice or heavy snow. If you got really thick snow, but if you got thin snow, it's fine. I can go up and down this deck with really, if it's thick snow, I get traction from the snow itself, but it keeps the snow from sliding off the boards, if that makes sense, where you can have a situation where you're trying to go up and down a ramp. The cool thing is you could also use this for steps. The stuff's easy to cut, like I said, and you could wrap it around steps if you wanted to. That would prevent you from slipping. The only downside, if you do put it on steps, it's probably gonna be like a cheese grater to you, and it's gonna scratch you up pretty good. It works well, and I can even go, I can walk up and down this ramp on my bare feet. I'm not saying I would run on it, but I can walk up and down on it. And my dog doesn't have any problem with it either. So, put a heavy number of screws on the ends, the traffic area, and then I've got it screwed on the sides every other board. And like I said, I can pressure wash through the screen. I can treat it with my deck with water seal through the screen. So it's really doesn't interfere with my normal maintenance of the deck at all. It also doesn't increase like holding moisture, so my deck breathes as it's supposed to. So anyway, I hope you guys like the tip. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll keep making videos. Thanks.